Hello friends, so in this video tutorial of Excel we will learn about how to do data analysis with Excel. So like what we have done, I have already created a report where we have find out the percentile. So percentile according to the salaries like which we are providing, sales according to sales which we are providing to salesmen, like under which like the sales will come under which percentile. So percentile means like 25% of the sale is below us, below this 30,000. Similarly 50,000 is our 50% sales is below 50,000, and here's if our sales is 70,000, it's mean like 75% of the sales is below your 70,000. So this way, like in this case 90,000 is our maximum, so 100% is below this 90%. So we use such things here. Similarly we will done another thing here, like we will create a histogram. That's not the part of this, okay, and we have created a histogram, and beside that we created our frequency, the number of time like this values has come, and we have created our sales report which shows us mean, standard variation, median, mode, standard, simple variance, and minimum maximum sum count. So how we can do that? So what I will do this time, I will just copy this report and I will put it in another sheet, and we start making this, and instead of sales I will say like I will take your salary, some like salary, like suppose this is the salaries of different salesmen in a company. And what I need to do, like we have to find out first of all is percentile. So like 25%, then 50%, and I will just drag this till 100. Next thing is like we will go here and put equal to, and then I will write this formula percentile.inc, and after this it will ask about the array. So array will start with this from B2, then I will press Ctrl Shift and arrow key from my keyboard and close this and enter. Sorry, we have to take it again. I will just open this FX. First of all it will ask about array. So in array I will go here, Ctrl Shift and enter, then we have selected the array. Then we will take this 25, which is our like what at how many salaries below this, or F4, and then I will create F4 here and click and OK. Now I will double click. So now you can see percentile of our like 25% of salary is below here, like 50,000 salary 50% is below, so it will show below. So how much salary is below a particular salary here. So this is our percentile. So I will put percentile here. So this shows a percentile. Next thing is like we have to on this data analysis tool in our Excel, and to do that we will go to the file, and then I will go to the options, and when I will go to the option there is an add-in, and from this add-in I will click on this add-in. Here is analysis tool. I will put go, and from here I have already did it, so that's why it is also showing here also. But in your case if it's not there, you have to go file, option, and this, and follow the process. And I have to click on this analysis tool pack and analysis tool pack VBA and press OK. So after doing this, we have in this data tab this data analysis tool here. Now if you will click over this, so it will ask about what sort of analysis you require. So in this case, first of all I will go to descriptive test analytics and press OK. So it will show like what values you want to select. So we can select value from here, and then I will press Control and this till the end. So we have even taken the heading here, which is our salary. So column wise output range, we can put the output range here. So like we can put it here like some output, and I will even click on this summary statics so that it can give the summary also, and then press OK. So now we have a summary of our salary, like what is the mean salary, what is the standard error here, and median, mode, day, standard deviation, sample variance, ski-west, range, minimum, maximum, sum, count. So all these things will be clear. Next thing is like if you want to create the histogram, and to create a histogram, like we have to see like what is our minimum and maximum. Like minimum is 10,000, maximum is 90,000. So what we can do, we can create a range here. Like our range will start from like something like 10,000. Then I will say it will go to 30,000. So 20,000 is the difference, and then I will just drag it till 90,000. So now we have a different range here. So from 10 to 30, like how many times like we are paying the salary. From 30 to 50, how many times we are paying the salary. For that, what we need to do, we again go to the data analysis tools, and this time I will click on histogram and press OK. So after clicking on histogram, it will ask about input range. So I just remove this area because I have already used it, so that's why it's showing some like content here. So input range, I will take this from the beginning. I will click on like what values you want to create the histogram. I will click on 20,000, control shift right arrow key, down arrow key. So I have selected this, and in the bin range I will create about these frequencies like bins here. So it will start from F9 to F10. In output range, I will go there and click somewhere outside, and here I can even click on this chart output also, so that it can create a chart also, and then I will press OK. So after some time we can see this our frequency like and a histogram also. So what it is showing is like we have a frequency like this will come from 30 to 40, 50,000. We have 4 number time like this type of salary we are given. From 50 to like from till 10 to 10,000 to 30,000 4 time, like 30 to 50 is 4 time, 50 to 70 like 4 times. So the number of times like we have the things will be added, like it has come, the salary is given to the like employees, it will be shown here. So maximum salary range and the minimum number. So that is the way we can create an histogram also. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching.